up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for over a week, 8 days to be exact, and I'm excited to film again. I have been just like a 10-second life update. I have just been kind of like dealing with some little mental health issues and just kind of taking care of me and not letting YouTube consume my life. But I am excited to get back. I'm excited to film an unboxing, and I hope that soon I'll feel more motivated and like inspired to do other things. If you have like certain like fall themed stuff you want to see, or really anything at all, let me know. Throw some inspiration out there for me. I would really appreciate it. But for today, we're just going to unbox. I got my IPSY creator box. I am extremely grateful that I am sent this every month. So they do send me the regular $12 IPSY bag and IPSY Plus for $25. I'm excited for this. Also, the theme of the bag is just super cute. It's definitely giving me like, you know, Clueless vibes, that yellow plaid outfit, which is so cute. It says back to blank, work, school, life. Whether you're rushing to the office, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back to the swing of things in style. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. So of course, as I mentioned, $12 IPSY bag. Of course, 5 items. You guys know the drill with this, so I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail, but I do think this one's really cute. It's got a little envelope clutch. I love that it has this like tan, obviously faux leather look to it, gold little closure, and then it's just plaid all around, and the inside is yellow. I think this is so cute. It's like kind of like that preppy cool look, but I really like it. It's very fall to me, and this is more like a houndstooth plaid, right? Or is it just houndstooth? You guys let me know. I know that it's not like typical plaid. It looks kind of houndstoothy. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what we got. Well, we actually got something that is not in the bag. So this is 2 sheet masks. These are from Nature. So we got the Sika Herb. This is the Restore sheet mask. Skin relief facial mask, softening and soothing. And this has that Centella asiatica. Tiger grass is what it's commonly called. And it looks like these are made in Korea. So we got some Korean skincare. And then I also got the Squeeze Green. This is the watery sheet mask, skin refresh facial mask, moisturizing and refining. It has kale, parsley, and chlorophyll. So that is that one. I have quite the collection of sheet masks, and I ordered these little organizers, y'all, from Shop Miss A, and they were shown with what looked to be like sheet mask in them, like a little rack, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be perfect. They're so small. They don't even fit like some of my eye masks that I have, so that was kind of a bummer. But yeah, I need to organize mine a little bit better. I have a collection. I never really buy them because I have so many. I went on one of those like obsessive kicks of like, I need all the sheet masks, and then I'm using like one a week. Like I need to be using them like almost daily. So anyway, 2 sheet masks from Nature. I'm pretty excited about these. I've not tried this brand, so it's a new one for me. Let's see what we got next. All right, next up we got, this is from Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. So this is a hydrating facial spray. I've had kind of like hit and miss with Grace and Stella. It's not a brand that I am super familiar with, and yet I've gotten several things, but this is a nice little size of a face mist. I love facial sprays. Honestly, like the more the better. I love them. This one is rose. Rose is not my favorite. I'm not much of a floral kind of gal, but yeah, they're light. Like rose is not one that I hate. Like I wouldn't pick it, but when I get it, I don't mind it. I'm not like mad at it, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. My liner is kind of like transferring, so what can I do? I'm shielding my eyes because I haven't taken a picture of my makeup yet. That was probably a mistake not to do that first, but yeah, this is really cute. Little facial spray. It says before or after makeup, but I just love hydrating mists like anytime. They're refreshing. They help to melt your powders together if you want to use it as a, you know, quote, setting spray. I use it more as like a finishing spray to like melt all my powders together. Next up, we got, okay, this is from Nature Lab Tokyo. I really like their hair care. This is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I do really like scalp scrubs. I have an oilier scalp that does get a little bit flaky from time to time, so these help. I just feel like I never use them to their maximum ability, you know what I mean? I feel like I can't get it on my scalp. It's always like in my hair, so I try to like part my hair open, scrub it in there, go to the next section. You guys let me know if you have tips and tricks about how you use your scalp scrub. Obviously, like when you have a lot of hair, it's just, you know, it's gonna be in there. So I try to do sections, and then I'll try to just like massage my whole scalp. So yeah, I love their products. This is one I'm excited for. I've tried shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask, and I've liked it all. So I'm excited for this one too. 2 more items. The next one is from H2O. I got something from this brand fairly recently, and I did enjoy it. It's like a gel moisturizer. This is the Hydration Sensitive Gel Cleanser. So I do enjoy getting cleansers a lot. I go through faster than anything else in my skincare routine or beauty routine period cleansers, so I'm always excited to get them and try them, but also like travel sizes like this is the perfect amount to either travel with or just try it out for the first time, so I'm excited. Next up we got Bag Gal Bang mascara. This is definitely one that I like. Benefit mascaras are some of my like go-to more favorite mascaras. Usually I'll have like one mascara I like from random brands here and there, but I genuinely enjoy most of their mascaras. I think they do a really nice job on them. So yeah, little mini mascara. I've definitely gotten this before. I mean, I have full sizes of this. I probably have travel sizes of this. Minis are just such good mascaras, period, but this is also perfect to travel with. So that is it for our little IPSY bag. So we got the cleanser, mascara, hair scrub, facial spray, and then our 2 sheet masks. Overall, I think this is a really good one. I would like a little bit more makeup, maybe one more makeup item and substitute one of the others, but I still think it's a really good bag. It's just very like skincare heavy. 3 skincare items, 1 hair, 1 makeup. So it's still a decent ratio, but I feel like I'm seeing a lot more skincare lately. Let's move along. We have our IPSY Plus. This of course is the same design. You have the plaid houndstooth, whatever this is, and then you have the yellow stripe down the center, yellow strings, and I do enjoy these bags. I say it every time, but really good for just like separating, sorting items. When I moved, I literally used like containers and bags like this to like group my items together so it wasn't just all like a big pile, and they're just so handy. But you can throw these in your purse too. You can put like feminine products, put your lip glosses in, put hand sanitizers, tissues, whatever else you need on the go. Really good for that too. So let's see what we got. All right, we got Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is actually really funny. It's kind of ironic that I got this today because I've been having more breakouts lately. And I was like, where is my spot treatment? And it was like this much left in it, and it was definitely had turned colors. And I was like, oh shoot. I love this spot treatment though. This one has the salicylic acid, but it also has ingredients to soothe and calm it. So like when you use this, it will help with the breakout, but it also helps me to like, if it's painful or red or swollen, it just kind of takes down the inflammation. So I love the spot treatment. It's just one that I use so infrequently that it tends to go bad on me before I go through the product. So I'm very happy. I'm gonna swap out my old janky one for my new one. Very happy to have that. We also got, this is from Haute Noble. This is the Shine Theory Lip Gloss. Okay, I'm excited to pull this out of the box because it looks really pretty. So this is like a golden kind of color. The lid is pretty. So I got the shade Renaissance. So it's a light golden looking color, and then if you can see, the lid has like little speckles. It kind of looks like gold flakes in there. Let's put some on. I just put lip liner and lipstick on and no gloss. Oh, it smells good. That smells really good. It smells like the Kopari lip glossy. They're like coconutty, but like a light scent. It smells good. It's not overpowering, That's really pretty. I'm always down for a good gloss, so I'm happy about that one. We have from 111 Skin. As you guys know, if you're a subscription box person, you know that 111 Skin, the price point is like way up here. I do enjoy the products. I've never purchased one. I've only paid for subscription boxes that they've come in, but hyaluronic acid is a great ingredient in skincare, so I'm excited for this. And kind of like a basic serum, but definitely a key like staple in my skincare routine and what I recommend to people, like hyaluronic acid, or retinol, vitamin C. Those are all things that I recommend and think that are staples in a routine. So yeah, I'm not gonna complain about the bougie hyaluronic acid serum. I think it's nice, I'm excited. That's the next item. Next up, we got Galactic Glow on the Go. What is this? And it's Jet Setter. Swipe and bloom with fingers across the cheekbones, bridge of nose. Okay, so it looks like this is a highlight. Oh, okay, so it's like a little stick. It's a little stick, it looks kind of champagne. The packaging kind of matches the color, which I like. Galactic, I've had some hit and miss experiences with Galactic, but overall I'm excited to use this. So let's give it a swatch. Okay, maybe not quite light enough for me to give like a major impact. It's a little deep for me to give like major highlighting impact, but it's not far off from what I'm wearing today. So I'll just have to try this out. Feels smooth. It is reflective, but it's not like incredibly reflective. I like a highlight with a little bit more shine, but this will give maybe more of a natural look. And yeah, I'll definitely try this out. You can always use like a good cream highlighter like this as a base for powder highlights. If you want something really glowy, it'll help kind of stick and just layer the glow. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I don't know if I'm going to love it, but I'm excited to try it. And we got one more item. Ooh, Il Maquillage. This is the Color Boss. I say that so boss. Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. It looks like it's going to be a neutral shade. This is the real deal. I really do love Il Maquillage products. I've had only a few, but so far I've really enjoyed them. So this is a heavy packaging. It has some weight to it, and it's just like the silver kind of like mirrored effect. You could use this as a mirror, like on the go. What is that? Y'all see that eyelash popping up? Ooh! So finally, let's open this up. Okay, we got some neutrals, 2 mattes. They look kind of satiny mattes, and then 2 shimmers. So it's pretty. It's very neutral. You guys know I love color. If I had to choose between neutrals and color, I would choose color any day, hands down. But I still love my neutral looks on certain days. I feel like if I'm going to do like a bold red lip, I have to have neutral eyeshadow on. That's just, my brain just tells me you can't do, you know, you gotta pick one. So if I want to do a colorful, brighter lip, then I love neutrals on the eye. But this is really pretty. I'm excited to try it. Very interested to see how the quality is because I've loved their product so much. It definitely makes me excited. So all in all, we got an eyeshadow quad, a stick highlighter, a hyaluronic acid serum, spot treatment, and a lip gloss. So I think all in all, this is also a really good bag. Maybe it's just because they're full sizes. Like I have a hard time comparing, but I think I'd go for my plus this time. I will also get my own plus that I pay for. Yes, yeah. I was like, yes. So if you want to see that either in comparison form, try on form, let me know if you have a preference. I will say today being the second, when you pick your items, I am not at all excited. I usually don't let you guys know ahead of time because I honestly usually don't remember, or I either film it the day before I pick. But today I got this box literally today, but I was not at all impressed with my purchased ones, like options. I was like, I feel like it was missing like a lot of makeup. I was like, where is the makeup? So I don't know if I'm going to love it. I've already forgotten 2 or 3 of the items, but yeah, let me know what you'd like to see or how you'd like to see me unbox that or try it on or whatever. But that is it for this unboxing. Let me know what you think about my assortments. Lately, I feel like I kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I think the gifted one's better. Sometimes I think the purchase one's better. And of course, I've been doing them head to head, like purchase versus gifted in the plus, because that's the only one that I do pay for. So if you guys are enjoying that, please let me know. Just leave me some feedback and let me know what you enjoy so that I can deliver like pizza. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.